Hello, ladies and gentlemen. What's going on? It's been a while, I know. Uh, a lot of things happened. As you can see, we have a green screen now. Uh, it's a cool option that been added really soon. I don't really have anything green behind me. It's NVIDIA option, but yeah, that's not so interesting. Uh, You're probably asking yourself why I haven't been uploading for like 1 month, month and a half. Well, that is because I had to move from my home city, um, so I can live in another city and study. Yeah, I'm in university now. I moved 1 month ago. I'm living in a different city, and my beast PC is staying in my home city, and I don't have a PC where I live now. But due to coronavirus, I came back because we started studying in online form, and yeah, now I'm in my home city with my beautiful computer, and I can play some Karuta. I can see what is going on. I'm still playing Karuta from my phone there, but I can't really record any videos for YouTube and so on. But let's move to the point of this video. What it is about. It is about the new feature Karuta added. And it is about card albums. A new flexing option. That's a really cool option. I'm really excited about it. It's the best way to flex. I thought job boards are smart way, but dude, adding an album in Karuta, holy man, that's super smart. So I'm showing my appreciations to Karuta stuff and so on because it's a really smart thing. I really appreciate it. I really like it, and I'm a fan of. Okay, so uh, how do we start? If you voted in the last month, and with I'm talking about K monthly. I haven't explained what this is, but it's basically voting for Karuta, and you're getting one vote every time. Um, it's restarting every month, and if you voted 30 times last month, um, you would get bronze reward and so on. So, um, I used to vote 61 times, I think, so I managed to get the gold reward, and it gave me a few backgrounds. What is backgrounds? We just type K backgrounds, and we're able to see those stuff. So, this is default background that you can use for your album page. This is crossways. I don't know which of those is a premium. I mean, not a premium, but a reward for voting last month. But I think all of them are because I haven't done anything, and I don't think they're just free. So whatever. This is the next one. I won't swing. This would be really cool for Naruto album page. I tried to do something just to see how the things are working, and so I can explain it better to you. I don't have a full understanding of the things too, but yeah, I think I managed to catch the basics. And this is really cool. It's Naruto Shippuden theme. Yeah, we will have themed backgrounds. For example, Naruto, Dragon Ball, Demon Slayer, themed stuff, themed backgrounds, which is really cool. For example, this one is themed, and it's perfect for using this page to flex your Naruto Shippuden cards. It would be awesome. And we'll have other backgrounds that are just, some cool stuff. Okay, how do you see your album? Or actually, how do you create album? So you type K album create. or just KAC for shortcut, and you type the name that you want your album to be with. For example, let's say K album create test, and I don't have an empty album, but I will explain this later. So I already have an album. I created it. I'm just showing you the command that you can create your own album with. So I don't have empty album. We buy this from K-Shop, and it is thing right where? Oh, here. Okay, 2.5k gold, and you're buying you're buying empty album, and for 1k you're buying empty page. So I can basically create an album with 4 or 5 different pages. Wait, that's way smarter. I wasn't realizing this until now. Quite funny, huh? Okay, so I can create an album with Naruto cards with 50 pages, but it's only one album. But I can buy a different album, and I can create a Dragon Ball album, and I would have 2 albums, but I can buy just pages, and with buying only pages I can create one album of all the cards. It's a really personal preference. Do you want an album of all the cards, or you want an album only from specific series? So if you have like 500 cards from Naruto, you would probably want a Naruto album. But if you're just having like 10 cards from each series that are good on wishlists, on claim rates and stuff, you don't need a whole album for one series. You need one album for all the good cards you have. So yeah, it's basically a personal preference. I don't know how you would go. I can't suggest you. I just explained you how it works. I would probably buy a few albums and create a few, but I'm not sure. I'm not really sure. I have one page. Let me show you. How do you see your album? You type K album and the name you created. Mine is Shippuden. When you type this, it's showing you the album. Here is the album name, the owner, and the background name. So this is the background we saw earlier. That is Naruto Shippuden themed. And I used it, and I added a few cards. I could add 2 more, but they're not minted, and I don't want to add them if they're not minted. Yeah, it's not a flex if you add like damaged or poor condition cards. Yeah, whatever about this. Do we add a card in our page on our album? So you basically type KACA, which stands for album card add, but remember the shortcut because it's, yeah, we all use shortcuts. Then you type the album name. In my case it is Shippuden. Then you have to enter the card code. Okay, the card code. So until now, album card add, album name, card code. Now we enter the page number, which in my case is first because I have only one page, but I could have 10 pages, or I will have 10 pages in future, so it's important to enter it. Then you enter the SWOT number, you click enter, and it's in. Now we go K album Shippuden, and here it is. The card is on my album page. How do we remove a card from a page? Because this will happen too. You would probably want to remove a lot of cards from your pages, because yeah, you will say, I was dumb back then, I added the wrong card, now I want to add another one. But Karuta have a decision for you. You just type K album or just ACR. It stands for album card remove. Then you just type the no, you first type the album name, then the card code, and it's done. You don't have to type the page number or the SWOT number in this case when it's for removing, and then you just check it. K album Shippuden, and here it is. The card is not on this page anymore. Okay, so I will show you the command. It's K album background or just KAB. Then you type the album name, and then you type the background name. In my case, it was Ninshu Nights, so I changed it to Ninshu Nights from default. What was the name of the other background? So the command to change the background of your album is this. So we will change this background, which is Ninshu Nights, to I Want Swing. Let's do it. Okay, album background Shippuden, I Want a Swing. Let's see what happened. Yeah, it changed. Now let's check just to be sure. Shippuden, and here it is. The background changed. Now we have the swing background on our Shippuden page. That's how you change your background. I'm sure there is a shortcut. Let me test it. K album background. I think it should be this or ABB. I'm not sure. Shippuden Ninshu Nights. Nope, it's not. Okay, I'll just do the long way because I don't know the shortcut. I'm sorry guys. I don't know the shortcut. Album background Shippuden Ninshu Nights. There you go. Okay, album Shippuden. There you go. We are back to the right background of this page. So, am I missing something? I think I explained most of the stuff. Okay, guys. I will show you one last thing that I've learned, and then we're Gucci. We are done. So, for example, you picked a name, but you wanna change it. For example, the album name of my first album was Naruto, and then I used this background, which is Naruto Shippuden themed, and I haven't thought it's an entire album with a lot of pages. I thought it's just one page. So yeah, it's a mistake. But let's say you want to change the name. You just do K album rename. Then you enter your album name, and for example you type Naruto, which is the new name I want to use on my album. So now my album Shippuden will change its name to Naruto. Alright? Oh no, bruh. So how do you change the name of your album? I don't know why this command haven't worked actually. I mean, it had to work. Let me try again. K-album rename Shippuden Naruto. Okay, it's literally the same thing, but this time it worked. Yeah, probably some minor mistake. Whatever. This is the actual command you use to change the name of your album. So now when I type K-album Naruto, it will show you this page again. See, album name Naruto. So you type K-album rename or K-A-R, the first name, the actual name of the album, the current name, and then you type the name you want to use in future. And here it is. So basically, guys, that's it for this video. I showed you the most important stuff. I showed you how to create an album, how to create a page, how to buy a new album SWOT, how to buy a new page SWOT, how to add cards, how to change backgrounds, how to remove cards. And that's all you need to know, I think. Probably there are some other stuff, but you can always ask me in the comment section, I guess, and I will try to answer you. Yeah, guys, thank you for watching. I hope I was helpful, and bye bye. See you next time.